Hey everyone, it's Morgan Yates. Weird camera angle. You're propped up in a car. As you can tell, this was the only angle we could get. But as you can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be reliving college for did I say that weird? Reliving college for a day. But if you are new to my videos or you don't know, I used to go to UNC Chapel Hill. That sounds like I dropped out. I graduated. We graduated in 2017. I studied video production and entrepreneurship. These are irrelevant details, doesn't matter. It's currently Thursday night. I am driving over to Chapel Hill. Actually, I'm driving to Raleigh. I was going to drive to Chapel Hill and meet up with a friend, and we were gonna go to all our favorite little bars we used to go to, but there are a lot of protests happening and whatnot. So I'm going to Raleigh for the night with my friend. I'm gonna vlog that a little bit, but mainly the point of this video is for tomorrow because I'm going to Chapel Hill to the campus and we're gonna have a great day. I even brought my backpack. I'm gonna carry it around. We're really committing to this. I'm gonna go to class. I'm gonna do all the things I used to do over there and it's gonna be a great time. Probably embarrassing, but it's gonna be great. I'm gonna feel really weird walking around a college campus. I'm managing to sweat in the minute and a half that this intro has been. So also my voice is weird, but I kind of like it. If you guys are new and you're in college and you want some UNC advice, I feel like that's still what I get asked about more than anything. Like in my DMs, people ask me for like advice about how to get in or just like what's it like or whatever. And I have a lot of videos on that, so everything UNC related I will link below. I had like a actual UNC day in my life video I filmed when I went there. If you guys are new, please subscribe. Also feel free to check out my other social media links down below. Yeah, I'm gonna relive college at age 23 and a half.
I'm just gonna give you all the other cupcakes since I forgot your name.
Thank you. Wow. When I need feedback. I don't know if you want me to be in it. No, you can come be in it. Today is the day we're officially kicking off reliving college for a day. This is one of my college roomies, Kaylia. Some of our pillows from our house are like around. And I'm like,
the blanket.
Yeah. This was a big popular item in our house in college. Fought over by all 9 roommates.
And I got it.
You did get it. Lucky you. I'm wearing my exact attire I used to wear in college. This was my favorite shirt. Leggings per always, and then just little tennis shoes. I've got like a little West Coast flair now. I have like Adidas and wearing Air Force Ones. In the past it was, I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know any other things to say to that. But what I have done for today is I have not done this yet. I'm gonna go try to sit in on a class from one of my favorite professors that I'm still close with. That's a goal. I'm meeting with my sister, who's a sophomore. We're gonna like walk around campus to all the spots I used to go to, get lunch at a spot I love. If I don't even go to class, it's also accurate. Oh yeah. Kaylia said earlier, she was like, I don't have any memories of you going to class senior year.
I literally do not remember you waking up and going to class, like ever. Yeah.
No. We'll say this is reliving senior year. We would literally go to True, this like restaurant, rooftop bar place, get a drink and lunch before class, and then every time we'd be like, let's just not go to class. We are going to head to Chapel Hill now and meet up with my sister, and we're gonna go from there. This lighting. On the way to Chapel Hill, stopping at my favorite coffee shop from college called Bean Traders. It's the best place. They're so friendly. I got iced coffee with hazelnut syrup, so I'm gonna go do that. And all right, bye. I feel like there's a decent chance I'm gonna see someone I don't want to see there, so we'll see. I also realized I never get iced coffee anywhere really anymore. I always get iced lattes with like oat milk or coconut milk or something, but we're gonna see if it's as good as it once was. Used to go to this sushi place all the time. Great place. We're getting closer to Bean Traders. Watch it be under construction, I would die. This place got a facelift. What? Will I get a good parking spot? Got the last parking spot on the first row, so I feel favored. I'll give you the rundown when I get with my sister. But basically, I'm trying to eat and drink everything in Chapel Hill that I once loved in a day. What do we have, Anna?
Girl Scout cookie milkshakes.
And Bean Traders, and how cute is this place? Just some advertising. Okay, taste test. Let's see if it's as good as I remember. We can do a little mixing around, but never anywhere do I get hazelnut anything except for here, and it's so good. Being in there brought back memories. Like I used to go there. I've been going there since like sophomore year, but I was having bad days and I was having good days. When I was having a good day, that was like where I wanted to go to like increase my good day. And when I was having a bad day, that was where I wanted to go to like feel better. Slash, I just did so much like homework there over the years randomly. Like obviously it's a coffee shop, but the employees are still just as nice and it's the same people. And I was just like creepily like watching them and like admiring them. I'm like, I love you. They're so nice. Yeah. UNC! I love this place. Oh my gosh, UNC. Lucy, I love you so much. The package center, I'm gonna point out irrelevant landmarks. I didn't even use this package center, I used a different one. This light up here sucks, I hate it. It takes forever. It's crazy that it's been like a year and a half since I was in college. That is insane to me. Franklin Street, frats, gross. The quad, we're going there in a minute. Linda's, great cheese fries to our right. I lived back here, I'm definitely gonna drive by it. I lived on North Street. This is true, it's my favorite place on earth. We're gonna go there. I met up with my sister. Ow. Okay. First stop, we are at Buns for fries. We're literally just trying to eat everywhere. Also, I forgot about Yopo. We have to get that for dessert. If they don't have peanut butter, it's personal. I'm gonna be so mad. So we just got fries and dragon sauce. Meredith is telling me she's seen lots of people today who recognize her, who have said that they're excited that I'm here and they want to find me. I'm right here. I'm just eating. This is so good. It tastes like bang bang sauce at Bonefish. Hello. Are we gonna hang out? You're on your phone. You're on your camera. Anyways, I feel so good about this. How much have you missed me?
Words can't express how much you mean to me, Morgan.
Next stop, Topo. If you come here, this is amazing. They only have this in like this spring and summer. This is also great for when they don't have it. But if you order a blue and white, it's half and half. It's amazing, that's what I'm getting. And here's the view. Oh, did I say we're at top of the hill? That's where we are. Yeah. They were out of blueberry wheat. It's a personal attack, it's fine. I got the old well white though, still good. Cheers to the world, to Chapel Hill. So the blueberry wheat was done. I asked him if it was finished so I could just get a sip. He brought me a sip, I'm so happy. Here we go, no blueberries in it, but that's fine. So good. I'm gonna DIY a blue and white. I can do this without spilling. It's not, that's too great ratio. Yum. The building over there, I hate it. It's my least favorite. It's my video production building. Calm everything. It's terrible. Just the video classes. Miss this place. Student store is so different. I don't know this place. What is this? The pit is under construction. What is this? Should I go to a library I never went to? All right, so I'm currently in the pit. I was walking around and we met people who watch our videos. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm Olivia. I'm Sophia. I'm Melissa.
They're so cute. They're all first years and they've only been here for 2 weeks. And I'm like, carry on. It gets easier. It's so hot here. I'm not used to this. I was gonna carry around a backpack to like fully commit to this video, but I'm glad I didn't. We met another subscriber. What's your name again?
My tree.
My tree. Okay, yeah. I've got it now.
Yeah.
But
we're the same.
She's a first year as well. How do you feel about it so far?
It's okay. It's getting better. When I first got here, I didn't like it, but it's getting better.
You'll like it. We're merch. No, I just said we're merch shopping. What do you call this? I've been in YouTube for so long.
Just normal shopping?
What was this called? School apparel? What is this called?
School shop?
I don't know what I'm trying to say. This is my favorite sweatshirt of all time.
My favorite sweatshirt also. They're so soft.
Oh my gosh, she looks so good. Old well. Rumors if you drink out of it the day before classes start, or first day of class. First day of class you get a 4.0. I can confirm that was never true. It's the only person I know who actually gets a 4.0 right here. All right, gotta pick with the old well, insert here. We are now embarking to my favorite restaurant of all time called True. It's very underrated, but maybe not anymore. I don't know.
No, it's
They have
very
sandwiches. We're going to eat there.
Everyone I know goes there. It's our favorite place.
Oh, well, when I went here it was underrated. I'm hoping my bar manager that I know will be there because then I'll get free drinks. We'll see. All right, that place Linda's right there that we're passing. I'll show you in a second. Great chili cheese fry, or bacon cheese fries with ranch. Amazing. It was on my list, but I'm too full. But you should go there if you're in Chapel Hill. We're approaching True. My fave place, True. I'm vlogging today. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Do you hear Beyonce? She's pregnant with twins. They don't make cocktails till 5 and they're specially making me a hummingbird right now. What?
It just smells like normal.
It's just fruit infused. I'm so excited. I love this place. I could scream. I'm so happy. I'm on the roof at True. This is the best. Come here on Thursdays. These are $5. It's so pretty. Here's the room. There it is. It's beautiful. Okay. My sandwich. Here's what you get if you come here. You order on the iPads. You get 2 ounces turkey, 2 ounces bacon, 2 slices pepper jack cheese, and heavy avocado. Avocado is 25 cents. That is a bargain. Take note, world. I'm looking at Yopo. It's a frozen yogurt place. I'm looking at their flavors. I only want to go if they have peanut butter, and they don't. This is so rude. What are they thinking? Also, I learned my professors don't have classes on Fridays. The 2 that I'm still close with, I see them like when they come to LA, we like get coffee and stuff. In the entrepreneurship program, side note, if you go to UNC and you're not in the entrepreneurship program, what are you doing? You're missing out. So I texted both my professors whose classes I would want to sit in. They don't teach on Fridays, so that's not happening, but it's kind of accurate because I never went to class. So this is still kind of like reliving college. this is all I did. Just not all on Monday. Typically I would just be here all day, honestly. I'm frightened. She wanted to drive because it's her car. And I said yes. I'm scared. You gotta watch for pedestrians like every second.
I learned that.
I'm scared. I'm going to see her dorm room. I contemplated, wait, oh, I wanted to go by 116.
What's that?
Just my house. I can do it on the way out. I can do it when I leave.
No, we can drive by now. We're right there.
All right, well, be careful. Also, it is so weird going from having a backup cam. Well, seeing as we don't go out the entrance. I'm gonna go by my old house. Part of me wants to knock on the door and ask them if I can come in. I just want to commit to this video. I already like chickened out on the backpack. Sorry, so exit up. Yeah, you're in. I don't know what it's making us do, man. We're just on a little adventure. Oh, great. Exit. Cool. Bye, True. I love you. If you want to see where I lived, you drive down Henderson. You turn left on North Street. I hated this road. People used to fly down it. This is a mysterious frat. Don't know what it's doing here. You were like in the, like we're off the road practically. Oh, we're getting close. I hear Zeta girls screaming. Just kidding, but I often did. Pull in there. Don't hit the trash can. Don't hit the trash can. Oh, it's our house. Let's go ahead and show you guys my crib. Hang out and do homework at night. It's just a good congregating place. For context, I live with 9 people, and I don't know if I've explained that. Oh, I used to live here! It's so ugly. I love you! No yard still. Who needs a yard? Oh, I love it. Bye, Zeta. Where are you gonna park it?
In one of the other spots.
Don't hit this personal bike. Oh my god, I get so stressed out when she's driving. You don't even have a backup camera. I'm stressed out. Lord. This view. That's cool, Mare. Somebody's trying to grow a plant. It doesn't look like it's going well. Yeah, my dorm is this building right here. That's where I lived. Wait, did I look this direction? Wait, yeah, wait. I'm pretty sure my room was like, and overlooked this courtyard. It was one of these. On the 4th floor. It was like one of those or one of those. Little living room.
So it came with that.
Live in a dorm again. This is my rug. This rug was in our house. Oh my gosh, this rug was in my college house. Oh, it's me. That's cute. We'll do it again. Cute. Like it. Dorm life. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm officially no longer in college for a day. I have had such a good time. I missed all of my places and I feel like I got my fix on mostly everything, so I feel good. I can fit nothing else in my body, so I'm going to head back home now. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see my real videos from when I was in college, I will have those linked as well, so you can see my like day in the life of a UNC student and my like college advice stuff. So someone's waiting on this parking spot and I'm gonna let them have it. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Only you, can't you say I made a mistake? Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it.